This forest is so magical. Look at all the butterflies and so many pretty flowers. Wow, it's so pretty. Where are you going? Wait for me. Chirp! Oh, a magical bird. Wait for me. Chirp, chirp. Let's be friends. Oh, hello there, little bird. Chirp, chirp. You're so beautiful and magical. What other secrets might be hidden in this forest? Wow, this forest feels alive. I wonder who lives here. Did I just hear something moving? Oh, it's you, little bird. You're so sparkly. Come back. Did I just hear something moving? Could this be a hidden treasure? The magical door is open. What wonders await inside? Hello there. Who are you?
A secret map? This must lead to something magical. Yes, the symbols glow with magic. Let's follow it. Right behind you. Look, it's glowing. The path is this way. Yes, onward to the adventure. I can't wait to see what's this map. It's guiding us somewhere magical. I wonder what's inside this glowing pouch.
Let's see.
It's magical. This must help us on our adventure.
Let's see where this magical path takes us next.
What magical wonders await them on the next path?
Wow, look at all these sparkles.
The adventure is just beginning.
The path is even more magical than I imagined.
We need to find a way around this.
Right, I'll light the way. Wow, it's so beautiful. Yes, follow it closely. To magic. This forest keeps surprising me. The magic is just beginning. I can't wait to see more. Follow the path.
What magical wonders await them deep in the forest?
Subscribe to continue the amazing story.